When thinking about going out camping or any kind of trip in the great outdoors, most beginners can't even decide which backpacking gear should be called essential. This not only takes the fun out of your outdoor adventures but can even prove to be hazardous to everyone involved. With that in mind, in today's video, we've made a list of the top 5 essential backpacking gears for beginners. For a survivalist, igniting a fire can be challenging, especially in damp weather conditions. This situation calls for the Titan SurvivorSteel ferrocerium fire starter. This contains a ferrocerium rod that can start a fire, even under rainy weather conditions. Not only is it capable of producing bonfires or lighting up campsites 12,000 times over, but the intuitive design makes sure you only require a strike to the rod with the back of your knife. The rod handle comes delicately made with Titan's 9-feet survivor cord, including a fishing line, waxed jute, and a strand of wire, enhancing your outdoor experiences. With the handle, the rod also includes an emergency high-decibel whistle, which can come in handy in dire situations. Meet the ACR Bivy Stick, a two-way satellite communicator that'll help you stay connected no matter where you go. With support for multiple features like SOS, SMS, tracking, and shared location that works perfectly with the Bivy app, you'll be getting Iridium's reliable global satellite coverage to help you go off the grid while being environmentally aware. This gear also provides users with a dedicated phone number and an email, which allow others to communicate with them at any time. The stick comes with a 1,400 mAh battery that can keep on going for up 120 hours. And, as an additional benefit, you'll be provided a handful of mounts that will let you use the Bivy any way you want. Our next backpacking gear is simply called the Sailor's Compass, which has a working process that's almost identical to the legacy navigation compasses. Adorned with a classic vintage aesthetic, this gear is crafted with high-quality brass that promotes durability while looking nothing less than stunning. The best thing about this compass is that in order for it to function properly, it does not rely on batteries or satellite signals. Being lightweight, portable, and intuitive to use, the compass has luminescent markings on its dial that not only gives it more aesthetic value but makes it really useful in dark environments, all while fitting neatly inside your pocket. When out on an adventure, most beginners tend to fill their backpacks with tons of unnecessary gear that does nothing but weigh them down. This is why you should carry the Leatherman Signal with you. Being a 19-in-1 multipurpose tool, the Leatherman Signal neatly packs a variety of tools that contain a set of pliers, wire cutters, bottle openers, sharpeners, and other invaluable things. For safety, the all-locking feature allows the user to operate the tool regardless of their skill while being fully effective. Being compact in size, you'll be able to use it single-handedly, giving you space to use the other. The tool also comes with a useful pocket clip that ensures you don't lose it. Be it a novice traveler or an experienced globetrotter, we all know the importance of staying hydrated. With that in mind, we have LARQ bottle filtered, an insulated stainless steel water bottle built with nanofilter technology that removes harmful contaminants like lead or chlorine. It comes in 2 sizes, 17 and 25 ounces, both offering a luxurious design. The included filter in this bottle can purify up to 150 liters of water. That'll prove to be incredibly useful when out in the wild. The bottle also has a double-wall insulated stainless steel design which keeps your water fresh and cold, making this a must-have for all kinds of adventures. And this concludes our list of the top 5 essential backpacking gears for beginners. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.